Team, initially, one second, team, initially, we need to generate OpenAI key. It's a paid one, it's not the free. It's a paid one, it's not the free. Then you need to generate OpenAI key. Let someone mute yourself, team. Please mute yourself. Yeah, say this one. So we need to log in. Go to the API keys. Go to the API keys. So many API keys are there. We have so many API keys. Let me delete all the API keys. And another thing, team, let me create new API key. I need to create it up. Here I need to give batch -1. Batch 1. Next one. Here go to the create a secret key. Simply we need to create a secret key. Copy the secret key. I need to copy the secret key, then I need to share it to you. Yeah. Team, copy that key here. Don't create your own key, team. There's a paid version. The cost of this one is around $5. It's not the free key. It's a cost team. Around $5. Around $5 you need to pay here. So don't create yourself a monthly team. Not monthly. I hope by the end of the within 1 or 2 days, the cost goes to around $5. Based on the click, it will charge it. Don't create your own key. Just use the same key. Already shared the key team. Already shared the key. Copy that key. You people need to copy that key. Copy that key and save into in our personal workspace. But team, if you ask tomorrow, I can't team. Once again, I'm repeating here. If you ask tomorrow, sir, share the key again. I won't. Please save that key into your personal notepad or your personal WhatsApp. So, fine. Yeah, team, say this one here and one more thing. One more thing is let me go through the another thing. No. Here, can I create one more folder? Can I create one more folder? Talk with me, team. Let me go to the one more folder. Not LLM folder and one more thing. And one more thing, here I need to create one more folder. The folder is the LLM integration. Here I need to place LLM integration. LLM integration. So something I need to create it. Fine. After creating LLM integration step, after creating LLM integration, right click new file. I need to create one environmental file. I want to create one environmental file. What is the name of the file? .env na respond. I need to create one environmental file. What is the name of the environmental file? .env. Fine. Inside the .env, take one key. Open underscore API underscore key. Not only this one, you can place anything. Open underscore API underscore key. Fine. Do up to now. What is the file I need to create? Can anyone talk with me? What is the file I need to create?
.env.
Create one file.
.env.
.env. What is the key I'm taking here? Open minus
Open
API
API key.
key equal to open minus API minus key. And here this is the key. Fine. Team, save that key. What are the key I'm shared here? That key cost, maybe within the 4 to 5 days of time. The cost goes to around $8 or $9, around $10 team. Just remember that one. I think I will give that key up to the 1 week. But you can practice up to yourself. But team, what is the folder we created? Answer.
LLM integration.
LLM
integration, sir.
LLM underscore integrations. Which file we created? .env.
.env.
.env. What is the key I'm taking here? Open underscore API underscore key. And here we need to paste the key. Fine. Can I close it? Yes, let me close it. Fine. Team, one more point I need to data. We should be in a position we need to do the work. Fine. Team, how to switch to LLM integrations? How to switch to LLM
CD
integration?
space LLM underscore integrations.
LLM underscore integrations. Automatically you can switch. Team, how to create environmental Python 3?
Python M.
minus m, Python 3 minus m, which one here?
When we space when we.
When we care, automatically we are able to create the environment here. How to activate that environment? Source, when we bin, next one is smart activator. Source, when we bin activator, automatically we can activate the virtual environment. Fine. Team, let me create I need to create one requirements file. Let me create one requirements file. How we need to create the requirements file? Now here, right click, new file. Right click on new file. Which file we need to create? We need to create one file, requirements.txt. Requirements.txt. Yes or not? How to integrate ChatGPT? To integrate ChatGPT, which one we need to place? OpenAI. How to read data from the environmental file? How to read data from the environmental file? .env na.
Yes, sir.
How to read data from the? I want to read data from the where? Data from
Environment variable.
how to read it, to read it. Python minus .env. This library is used to access data from environmental file. Got it or not? In the future, not now, in the future. In the future, I wanted to develop API calls. How to develop API calls? Fast API. In the future,
First,
I want to run that API calls. Which one is required? UVCon. What
UV server.
UVCon? But tell me, team, how to integrate the ChatGPT?
OpenAI.
Using
How to
OpenAI library.
how to read data from environmental file?
Python-dotenv.
How to develop API calls?
Fast API.
First API.
API calls
Using
UV
UV server.
of a server, then that server we can call UVCon server. Team. How to install the libraries?
Python-m.
Python 3 hyphen m pip
Pip
install hyphen
install
r
-r.
Hence the
requirements.txt.
yes, sir. Team do up to now. I'm requesting you people need to do up to now. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ గా నేర్చుకోవాలండి. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ గా నేర్చుకోవాలి. ఇది మెయిన్ అండి. నవ్ వి ఎంటర్డ్ విత్ ద మెయిన్ ఏరియా. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ గా నేర్చుకోవాలండి. Team, you can purchase the course. You can't purchase the knowledge. Remember that point. You can purchase the
Before pip install, we should create virtual environment, sir.
series from Python 3 minus m when we. This is the activation and this is the installing. Am I right or not? Our team, can I show it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I did it.
All the people team. If you people ask me, Samba explain slowly in the sense I need to go further slowly. Anyone team, do I need to explain again? Or talk with me? Or I think learning is important. Na? Learning is important. If you ask me, Samba, please go to the slow. I'm ready to go slow. After completing yourself, I need to go to the next level. Once done, give the confirmation also.
It's downloading, sir.
శశాంక్ రేపు వెళ్ళండి ఒకసారి రండి ల్యాప్టాప్ తీసుకొని చూద్దామండి ఎల్ఎల్ఎంస్ ఎక్కడ దాకా చేశారు. అర్చన చేయాలి అర్చన.
Sir, please share the environment key once more.
Once again, this one you are talking about the key na?
Yes, yes.
Team, save that key here because up to the end of the batch, the same key I need to maintain. If I create the new key, once again it will charge the $5. So up to the end of the batch, I will keep the same key as it is. If I keep that same key as it is, we can save some money. Team. Even though if I save the money here, the cost of that one, for all the 20 members, it will charge around the $20+. It will charge like anything by the end of the batch.
Sir, is it Open API key or OpenAI key, sir?
OpenAI, both are the same, na? Both are the same. Whatever you are saying, both are the same, na? OpenAI API key, na?
Yes, sir.
Both are.
So it will charge the same, sir. If 20 people use the same key.
Charge will be if I use the same key, either
Mhm.
Will use it the 20 times, sir. The bill may be around the 25 to $30, sir. If I create a separate keys to the multiple people, the charge goes to the around $100+, sir.
Oh, okay, okay. But first time when you're purchasing, it's $5, right?
First time,
Okay.
just they are saying like a five is the platform fee, but usage is the separate fee.
Oh, the purchasing is 5 and then usage it'll keep increasing. Okay, okay.
Platform fee is the ₹5 and
Mhm.
usage is a separate cost.
Okay,
That's when the companies are getting the panic to use the AI.
correct.
There's a big problem because only for a simple over a training class only around $30 to $35 we need to spend for the only case.
Company will be paying thousands of dollars then, right?
$1,000, sir. Team. Ria, can I go to another example? Yes, sir. Ria, can I create one file itself? I need you to create one file. Which file I need you to create a main.py. Main.py, or otherwise I need you to go for the any name application.py. Fine. Team. Import OpenAI. I need to import OpenAI from what we need to do place OpenAI.
OpenAI.
From OpenAI, which class I need to import? We need to import OpenAI. Yes or not? We need to import OpenAI. Gonna say this one. What is the library name?
Op-
OpenAI. Which class we need to import?
OpenAI.
OpenAI.
It's a class is used to connect to ChatGPT. Whatever the class is there, this class used to connect to ChatGPT. Team ChatGPT means LLM or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Fine. Venkata. I will share the cloud key also. Based on this knowledge, after the class Moida, after the class get integrated to cloud also.
Sure,
Based on fine. Team. And another thing. And another thing is the load environmental file. How to load environmental file from which library?
Dot,
From
dot,
library
dot
.env.
NV.
From .env, import what?
Import.
We need to import one function.
Oh,
We need to import one function. Then that function we can call load.env. Load.env. One series for Navya. What is the use of OpenAI? This is the
to connect with
yeah,
ChatGPT.
this is the class used to connect to ChatGPT. What is the use of
ChatGPT.
yeah, what is the use of load
To
dot
load the environment file.
it used to load the environmental file. It is used to do. It is used to do this function, whatever the function is there. This function is used to load the environmental file. Fine. Venkata, say this one. This env depending on the operating system. What are the env is there? That env to load env, you need to take permission from operating system also. So that's why you people need to import the voice also. One, how to load environmental file? I need to load environmental file. How to load it? Load.env, load_.env. Automatically we can place it. When Mohit, if possible, can I write the comment also? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But comment I need to place OpenAI. OpenAI use
Use it to connect with
use it to connect to use it
a
to
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT. Use it to connect to which one? ChatGPT. And another thing. And another thing is the, and here we have another thing here. What is the another thing? Load.env. Here we have the load.env na. Load.env. Use it to load environmental file na.
Yes, sir.
Respond. Use it to load environmental file. In order to load environmental file, then we need to go for the load.env. Next one. How to interact with the operating system? Mac OS, Windows or something. Say this one. Importing what?
Operating
Yes.
system.
Importing which one? OS module. SR matter. Say this one.
Yes, sir.
Loading environmental file. Loading environmental file. Fine. Team, learn along with me, team. You people need to learn along with me here. SR matter. And another thing. Team, I need you to say this one. Connect to ChatGPT. I want you to connect it to what? Connect it to which one? Connect it to ChatGPT. How you can connect it to ChatGPT here? Try to say this one here. To connect it to ChatGPT. Team, try to say this one. If you want to connect it to ChatGPT, we will get one object. Which object we are getting? Client object. Which class I need to use? OpenAI na?
OpenAI.
OpenAI.
Yes.
What is the key I need to use? I need to use one.
Open_AI.
API underscore key equal to API_key equal to what is the operating system we need to use? OS or not? OS.
Yes.
Here what we need to do place get env now. Get
Yes, sir.
env. Now what is the key I need to use? whatever the key we
Oh.
have. Here we have the key or not. Here we have
API key.
whatever the key is there, that key we need to use. Simply, we should be in a position we need to pass that key. Which key I need to pass? Open underscore API underscore key. Say this one here. Line number 14 is nothing but connecting to ChatGPT. Line number 14. What are the line number 14 is there? Finally, it's just nothing but connecting to ChatGPT here. Got it or not? Fine. Slowly I'm repeating again here. Navya, what is the use of line number 2? Active Undali Navya, what is the use of line number 2? Line number 2 importing what? OpenAI na?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Next,
sir.
Archana, what is the
Connecting to ChatGPT.
it is used to connect to ChatGPT. And another thing, yeah, Archana, what is the use
Hello.
of load underscore .env? Use it to look environmental file na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, next one. Which module you need to import?
OS.
OS module. Because of line number 11, this env file availability to application.file. Because of line number 11, this is the line number 11 na?
Yes, sir.
Line number 11, this env file availability to where application.py. Yes or not? And
Yes, sir.
another thing, how to read it? OS dot get env open underscore API underscore key. Automatically, we're able to connect it to ChatGPT. Venkata, whenever we connect it to ChatGPT, it is giving one object or not? It is giving one object. Which object it is giving?
Yes,
Client.
sir.
Client.
It is giving one object,
Client.
ABC object, not only client object, some ABC object. Some ABC object we are getting here. Fine. Team, do that one.
Sir, could you show me once that .env file, sir?
Open underscore API underscore key.
Okay, that's clear. Yeah. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Venkat, can I go to the another thing?
Yes, sir.
Anyone
Sir,
completed?
one small doubt while we importing the libraries with pip install, we install like python-dotenv, but here we are
We are importing
export
.env.
.env. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm expecting same doubt I have here, but let me check it here. But if I run the code, then we will get the error. Maybe. If not error, we can't do anything here. Can you tell here how to run the code Python? Application.py na?
Yes, sir.
No error. Venkat, we will see it. We will see
Okay.
it. Fine. Next one. Venkat, one more thing. Automatically, we will get the client object now. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
How to take input from user dynamically? How to take input from the user
In prompt,
dynamically?
sir.
Question equal to input or not?
Yes,
Input.
sir. Input of give
Enter
some.
your question. Enter your question. You need to enter. You need to ask a question. Enter your question. You need to place it. Simply, we need to place enter your question. Then the user will enter that question. Give this question to ChatGPT na.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Client dot.
you need to give this question to the ChatGPT. How you can give here? Client to dot.
Client.
Client to dot. What you need to do? Client to dot. Because it will generate the some responses or not.
Yes.
Yes, you are using ChatGPT to generate the responses or not? Responses.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, based on what? Based on what your question or not?
Yes.
Your question. Team, which model you people need to use? I need to use one model. Which model we need to use? GPT-5. Just use a GPT-5 or GPT for any model. Next one, comma, and here we need to take the input. Input equal to, we need to pass the question or not?
Yes,
Input
sir.
equal to question. Next one, ChatGPT will generate the response or not? ChatGPT
Yes.
will generate the response. What are the response is there? That response it will be generated here. But after generating the response, we need to print that response. What are the response is there? We need to print that response here. Print what we need to print response or not? In that response, we have one predefined key. Which key is there? Which key is
Output.
there? Input underscore text. We have one predefined key here. Then that key we can call the output underscore text. Fine. Team, let me run it. Let me check our output here. Whether we're able to run or not, we need to check it.
Yesterday we used a generated text, sir.
Now say this one. Now enter your question. The question is what is Python? So this is my question. Yes. Team, we got the some response or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we got the some response. Run the code again here. We need to run the code again here. We should be in a position we need to run the code again here. And one more thing, what is 10 plus other series for 98765 654321 into 9 into 9. What is the value of a Trito series for? Yes, we got the some answer or not? We got the some answer. Fine. Team, check this for new people needed to check it. Team, is it nothing but connecting to ChatGPT or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
After connecting to ChatGPT, you are giving your question or not?
Yes.
And you are giving your model name or not?
Yes, sir.
GPT-1, GPT-2. You know, na, what is the difference between the model to model? Like
Yes, sir.
that trained parameters are there, na?
Lightweight or
Sir,
heavy.
lightweight, many, heavy, sir. All those things are there, sir.
heavily trained.
Terra, soul.
Heavily trained or something. That is the answer. Your answer is correct. Here, heavily trained, like a lightly trained. And we are using the latest one, GPT-5. It's a cost also tip. But to reduce the cost, then we can go to the GPT-1 or GPT-2. Something we can use the some other thing, GPT-2. If I use the GPT-2, the cost will be little bit less. Maybe the cost will be little bit less. We can save the money also by decreasing the that one, like that GPT model. What is ML? No, it's not taking up. GPT does not exist. So I hope we need to go for the GPT-4.
Sir, GPT 5 or 5.4 is there, sir.
4 is there, na?
Yes, sir, GPT 5.4. By
GPT-5.
that. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Mini is also there, sir.
4 minus mini, na? Yes, we got
Yes,
the
sir.
4 also. We have the GPT-4 also.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Team, can you please execute the code? Fine. Team, I will tell the next topics also say this for after next week, team, my target is I need to complete the DB interactions, like vector DBs are there, na? I will take Venkat, I will take one text file. That text file I want to perform the tokenization. After the tokenization, I will create the token IDs. That token IDs I need to convert to embeddings. You know the embeddings, na?
Yes,
That,
sir.
that embeddings I need to store with the DB. Which DB? Vector DB. After storing, I need to search whether the hello present. So then that will be, yeah. So team, in the next week, team, I need to go for the vector DB interaction. Next one is I need to cover the MCP protocol also. What is MCP and how to interact with the MCP? Two topics I need to complete in the next week. Team. Vector DB interaction. Next one is the MCP client and MCP server also. Once if I completed, then I need to go for the generate topics. How to generate the text. This is generating the text. How to generate the image. How to generate the audio, video. This kind of thing. Later, I need to go for the single agent development, multi-agent development, language and LangGraph something. Okay, now slowly, team. Slowly, we need to enter with the actual areas.
Sir, RAG.
Why not? We can see the RAG also. Maybe after 2 weeks, you can get the RAG protocol.
Okay.
Team, once completed,
This
give the
client responses that create as a predefined syntax, sir.
predefined. These are the predefined.
So these things we have to remember, right?
Remember, horrible, na, Dinesh. Torture kind of thing. How we can remember? I think maybe I am the trainer here, so that's why I'm remembering that one. Otherwise, it's a torture. How we can remember? For example, if it is a single application, we can. And one more thing, one more biggest problem I identified here. I think version to version, this code also changes. Version to version.
Oh,
And one more.
okay.
And
Sir, Python version or ChatGPT, GPT's versions?
Python version, and this OpenAI also. Code is not fixed. That's one of the biggest problem I think here. For example, now in the today Friday, in this month I'm writing this code. Literally in the last month, for the last batch, I didn't write this code. At that time, I'm importing what? Just a .env. Here, Python minus .env something is there. No? Library also different. Just I'm importing the only .env, not a Python minus .env. Small changes are there.
Okay.
Next one, team. Can I go to the next example or can I wait? Reply, team. You
We
need
can.
to reply.
Yeah, sir, we can
Example,
go,
sir.
sir.
Can I go to the another example?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Right. Now I need to go for the one more
Yes, sir.
new file. Let me go to the new file. The file name is the main.py. Which file I need to place main.py. Don't fill a bore here, but I will ask the questions. Tell me. Never fill the bore. Same example I'm asking again. Fun. How to import fast API? How to
Sir,
import fast
from fast
from
API,
Fast
Fast
API.
API.
first
import
known thing. Tell me how to
Yes.
import OpenAI. How to import OpenAI?
From
OpenAI,
From
OpenAI.
OpenAI to
Import.
OpenAI, sir. Import
Import
from
OpenAI.
Import OpenAI.
import, sir.
OpenAI.
Import OpenAI.
OpenAI.
From OpenAI, import OpenAI. Import .env. Import
From
load .env.
In,
From
from
.env.
.env,
.env.
import
Import
Load.env.
load
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 underscore
underscore .env.
load underscore .env.
.env,
And import OS.
import
Import
OS,
Import
sir.
OS.
OS.
Import
Import OS. Don't
OS.
import same code I'm asking again because at least you can remember that one. You can memorize that one. So that's fine. And how to develop get to post to put to delete with the help of
Use.
fast API meta.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
With the
Sir.
how to develop it from
From Fast
fast
API.
API,
from
import fast API,
import what? Import we need
fast
to
API.
respond again.
Sir, sorry to interrupt you, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have one doubt, sir.
Ah.
Yesterday we have few lines and we have run some few files and we have generated .pth file. Is this the file which we have generated .th file and today's OpenAI model is
Exactly.
it is both same or different?
Both are the same. Both are the same. But yesterday code that LLM generated by me. Okay, na? Today code. I'm not ready to write the LLM code. I'm purchasing LLM. You may feel like it's just nothing but the model.pth file. Okay, na? This is a model.pth file. Dinesh Garu try to say this one. For example, this is the yesterday code. This is the yesterday code here. If you go to the yesterday code, here which file is there? Model.pth file. Na?
Yes, sir, yes.
Model.pth file. Na? This is a file created by me, myself. Okay, na? Fun. See this one. But today, I'm not interested to develop the model.pth file. I wanted to purchase that file. Which company provided? OpenAI company. It's just nothing but purchasing LLM provided by some other company. Okay, na?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, na? So that's why only the code is the lesser. See this one. After all, if we check the previous code, after all, 10 to 15 lines of code, our code is completed. But yesterday we written so many things, na? Number of things. Fine. Now, okay, na? Are you okay? Can I provide the clarity again?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm clear. One more doubt, sir. Actually, I have executed the code and I have given a question what is ML? So it has given more than 12 lines of answer.
Got it. You wanted to decrease it, na? Answer or something,
Yeah,
customize it.
yesterday we have some limitation, right? So
Got it. We can. And can we check it here after the class? I need you to check it. Not only that one, you may ask one more question. Samba said the temperature is also yes, possibility is there. Okay, no? Fine. Next one. Team. How to develop a get to post to put to delete with the help of fast matter.
Yes, sir. App equal to fast API.
Venkat, how to load environmental file?
OS dot
Load underscore.
Load.env automatically we're able to load environmental file. Venkata, connected to ChatGPT. How
Yes,
to
sir.
connect?
Client equal to
Client
OpenAI
OpenAI dot
sub bracket
API underscore key
equal to OS dot
OS dot
OS
get TNV
one second OS dot get
get TNV of
get env
API
of
key.
API key what we are defining .env.
That's it. So automatically my application connected to ChatGPT. Whatever the application is there, this application connected to what? Connected to ChatGPT. Am I right or not? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Team. One more point I need you to tell here. One more point. I want to develop get to post to put to delete something. How to develop it here? App equal to fast API. Na?
Fast API.
App equal to fast API. Automatically This app is used to build, get, post, put, delete. But my answer are not. This app, whatever the app is there, this app is used to connect to, is used to develop get request, post request, put request, and delete request also. Fine. Team, one more point I need to tell. Fine. In the future, this application, I want to integrate it to React. Whatever the main.py is there, whatever the main.py is there, this main.py, I wanted to integrate it to React.js. How to integrate it to React.js? Say this one. To integrate it to React.js, we need to import. To integrate to React.js, we need to import what cars middleware. Say this one. Here we need to go for the what we need to import here. Try to say this one here. From try to say this one. Which library? Fast API. Which library? The library is the Fast API. Fast API. Fast API, we need to import what? Middleware. We should be in a position. We need to import the middleware. What we need to import? Cars. From import cars middleware we need to import. Import which one we need to import? Cars middleware. Simply, we should be in a position we need to import the cars middleware. Team, say this one. What is the name of the application? Talk with me. What is the name of the application? Main.py na?
Yes, sir.
Main.py. This main.py in the future, I want to integrate it to Angular, React, or Vue.js, or Java, .NET, PHP. If you want to integrate, what we required? Cars middleware or not? We required cars middleware. It is used to connect to other technologies. Got it or not? Team.
Then is it cross origin resource sharing, like when we interact from the UI to accept this get request post and all, we need to enable, right? Is this the one, sir?
Same answer, same. Whatever you told, that is the same thing. Cross origin resource sharing. Whatever you told, the same point here. Fine. Team, how to enable the cars policy? I need to enable the cars policy. App dot, which one we need to do? Place add a middleware. We need to add the middleware here. Team, which middleware I need to add? Which middleware we need to add? Tell me here. We need to add the middleware here. Cars middleware. We need to add the cars middleware here. Next one. And here we need to go for the yellow origins also. I need to yellow origins. Which origins I need to tell here? See this one. Yellow origins equal to I need to press the star. Star in the sense connected to React. Connected to Angular, connected to Vue.js, connected to Java, .NET, and everything. Star in the sense, in the future, this application will connect to everything here. But not only that one, yellow the credentials also. Here. Credentials in the sense what cookies or something is there, na? Yeah,
Yes,
while
sir.
connecting with the other technologies, allow the credentials also. How to allow the credentials? Yellow credentials equal to true. Fine. Team. Yellow all the methods also. How to yellow with all the methods? All the methods equal to. And here we should be in a position we need to press the star. Next one. Team. Yellow the tokens also. You know the tokens, na JWT token something is there, na? JWT token something is there. So yellow the tokens also. Yellow headers equal to, we should be in a position we need to pass the star. Fun. Team, at least very simple English words I need to tell. Please remember this one. Fun. What is the name of the Python file? What is the name?
Main.py.
Main.py.
Wants to connect to what? Wants to connect to
React
other
applications.
technologies.
React.
Other applications.
Other applications.
Other applications means what? React. React. Next one is the Angular. Vue.js. Not only that one, Java also. Java, you have the like a Tomcat server is there now running with the port number 8080.
Yes, sir.
Next one, you know the .NET now. .NET or
Yes.
C, any other technology to connect to any other technology, we need one class. Here. Which class? Cars middleware or not? Cars middleware.
Yes, sir.
Cars middleware is used to connect to any other technology. Yes or not? Fine. Team, for example, if you take the React running on 5173. If you take Angular running on what? 4200 port number state. If you take Java running on what? 8080. Tomcat server is there, 8080 here. Next one. If you take SQL like a MySQL, 1521, you are talking about the SQL server. You are talking about SQL server running on 1521 and different ports. So yellow the different ports also. and allow the credentials also, like any cookies or something. Allow all the methods. See this one. React wanted to connect with the help of get to post to put to delete everything, and allow the all the tokens also. Allow all the tokens here. See this one team. Line number 7 and line number 13 to 17 is nothing but connecting to other technologies. In the future, I need to connect to other technologies. So that is the meaning of the code. But team, please do after now. You people need to do after now. Ria, even the difficult to try to learn it, Ria, never compromise. Ria, all the people. శశాంక కాంప్రమైజ్ కావద్దండి. మనకు కావాల్సిన టాపిక్స్ ఇవే. Now, team, how to create the get request? Can I create the get request?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how to create the get request? App.get. Say this one. App.get off. How to use the app here? At the rate app, na? At the
Yes,
rate
sir.
app.get. App.get off default endpoint. Team, how to create it? Default home method, home function. Say this one. Return some response. Return say this one. Here we need to do plus message. Here we need to do plus a message here. Here, welcome to past API something we need to create. Team, get request ready or not? Get request ready or not? Get request is ready here. And how to create another get request? Why not? At the rate app.get off. At the rate app.get off. And we need to pass the endpoint. What is the endpoint I need to place? What is the endpoint I need to place? Ask or not? Ask. Now how to create one function? How to create one function? Ask AI. And this is the question coming from the React or not? Tell me team, this is the question coming from the React. What is the format we are getting? What is the format we are getting? String format or not?
String format.
Team, how to get the response? Response equal to client dot
Client dot response dot
get.
create. Yes, sir.
And
Create then model.
So model equal to Venkata.
To
GPT minus
4 GPT.
minus 5. Just to take the model
Yes.
not on it. And next one,
Comma,
one more
input.
Take the input.
str.
Input equal to question.
Okay, so sorry, sir. Yeah.
Sir, Mohit, this is the question.
Yeah. So sorry, sir. I just missed it, sir.
Question type is string.
Yeah.
This is the question coming from the React.js.
Yes,
That
sir.
question we are giving to ChatGPT. ChatGPT generating the response. Give response to the React.js again. How to give it a return? Return
Response dot output text.
Return.
what we need to place
Yes,
here.
sir.
Return answer. Answer equal to what we need to place response dot.
Dot.
Response
Response
what we need to
dot
place
Output underscore text.
underscore text. Response
underscore
text again. And how many endpoints are ready? 2 endpoints.
Two,
Dumb
endpoints are
endpoint.
ready,
Next
sir.
one is
Ask.
endpoint and ask endpoint. Team, type the code. I'm requesting you please type the code. team, once completed, give the confirmation also.
Sir, always will be the response dot outputs.
Compulsory because the response internal contain the one more object. See this for team terminal. Team, can anyone tell me how to run the code? Anyone team?
Python, sir.
Python. Python.
Python-m.
UVCon. What is the file name?
Main:\app.
What is the instance we required? App minus reload. Minus reload. Team, check it whether we will get the any error or not. We need to check it. If no error, we are happy here. No error, no error. And team, what is the command to run the code? Python, Python -m. Tell me, -m UVCon main colon app main colon app minus reload
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus reload. So automatically we will get the URL or not? Yes, sir, not?
Yes, sir.
Run that URL. We should be in a position we need to run the URL. What are the URL we have? We need to run that URL. Yes, see this one. Now, how to see the, after running that URL, how to see the
docs.
/docs we are able to say it. Now, team, say this one, is it a GET request?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And write the question here. We need to, can I click the try it out? Respond to try it out here. We need to click the try it out. Say this one here, what we need to do, place Python. Here I need to place the Python. So click, can I click the execute? Execute. If I execute here, we're able to see the response here. వంశీ గారు రెస్పాండ్ వంశీ గారు చెప్పండి, నేను వింటాను, చెప్పండి.
Sir, actually, with this, only we are using ChatGPT as it is, maybe specific model in our interface. I mean, only UI is changing, right?
Exactly. You are saying like, what is this application? As whatever you are saying, I'm doing the same thing. I'm using ChatGPT in my project. Yes or not? Instead of this interface, see this one. This interface or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Instead of this interface, I'm using ChatGPT in my project itself. The ChatGPT integrated to where? The ChatGPT integrated to what? Integrated to Python code itself. Okay, na?
Yes.
Yes,
in that case, actually I have in that case, if my training data is not available with that model, I mean the domain itself is unaware of that model, then it won't be useful to me, right?
Yeah, and whatever the information you have, you are saying like you have your private data, that data at your company. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Supply that data to, is it a ChatGPT or not? Client is nothing but a ChatGPT or not?
Yes, sir.
It's for the ChatGPT, link your company data also, additional data. Then linking your company data, technically we can call the RAG protocol. Got it? మీరు అడిగింది మెయిన్ అండి వంశీ గారు, ఎవరు అడిగింది మెయిన్, చాలా మెయిన్ అండి, దానికోసమే క్లాస్ జరుగుతుంది మనకి. Your question is that, sir, I think my company data not trained by the ChatGPT. So what is the use of this application? So that's why I'm saying to you, create one PDF file, link that PDF file to ChatGPT connection. linking your PDF file, your company own data to the ChatGPT, we can call the RAG protocol, retrieval augmented generation. Okay, na?
Okay.
Yeah, team, anyone able to run the code?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you don't mind, can I link this endpoint? Just 2 minutes, team. If you are okay, then I will link it. Otherwise, I will take the light. Whatever the endpoint we have, this is the endpoint I have. This is the URL or not? This URL I wanted to link to any one of the front-end technology, like a HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, or anything. Can I link or will you try yourself? Responding. This is the URL or not? I'm
Yes.
requesting you people
Yes, sir.
link this URL to any one of the front-end application. Any one of the front-end application. Then from the front-end itself, you are able to chart also. Try yourself. Try yourself. Yeah. Otherwise, in the future, we need to see it not more than that one. Fine. And one more thing. And one more thing is the yes, sir. And one more thing is the now. Team Venkat, can I create the cloud key or can I create after the 2 to 3 days, sir? Cloud key.
After is enough. Now we'll go with OpenAI key.
Sir, it's fine, sir.
Yeah, because go with the OpenAI API team because it's always a payment related thing team. Maybe after 1 week, then we will create the cloud key.
Okay.
Because otherwise,
Yes, sir.
if I create today, from today onwards, we need to pay the charges. Okay, na? Fine. Yeah. Team, today I'm stopping up to now. Here, please go through up to now, team. Monday, I will be a little bit active, team. Monday next week, team. My target is the vector DB, MCP protocol, and MCP server. 3 topics I need to complete with the next week. Okay, na?
Sir, can you show me once where we can create a key in ChatGPT?
Can you ask the how to create the key? Na?
Yes, sir.
OpenAI one website is there.
Okay.
OpenAI platform. Say this one. This is the website.
Okay, platform.openai.com.
Shared the link also.
But it will ask you first to pay $5 and then it will ask you to do that.
That's okay.
No, just 2 requesters, sir. Maybe 3 to 4 requesters money. My 2 requesters, maybe Ravindra done the 1 or 2 requests, maybe Mohit and
Sir, yes, sir. We tried,
I
sir.
given 3 requests, sir.
3 and myself to 5, and maybe Venkat 1 or 2 requests. Around the 6 to 7 requesters.
Sir, I have seen at least 2 of them.
Maybe see this one $0.17 for the just 5 to 10 requests. If
Yes,
20
sir.
members clicking that 20 times, the cost goes to around $20+. Okay, na?
Sir, subscription is different. Again, this payment we need to pay.
Yeah, there's a torture from the AI platform because they're saying like platform charges are $5 per hit charges. Around just within the just now I hope we hit like 8 to 9 times maybe. For the
That's it.
times the bill is the $0.19.
Sir, in
If
the
you
17 cents,
click-
even my thing is there, sir. 1 or 2 requests.
I think maybe if I keep 1 week here, the cost goes to around $35 to $40 or something. Okay, fine. Yeah, team, just to save that key team. Up to the 1 week, I don't want to delete it. After the 1 week, I will place it. Then later, still, but one suggestion, while building the agent agent, like important, that is important area. At that time, team, I will let you know how to take the cloud subscription. Keys I can provide here, but to learn yourself, it's recommended to take 1 month cloud subscription, or private subscription. Then we are able to build 3 to 4 agents also. You people are able to build 3 to 4 agents also. At the time, I need to tell, maybe in the next month, I need to tell it.
Sure, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Tim. And Monday, we have a class day. Bye.
Okay.
Sir, sorry, one query. Yes. So in our office, use the Azure API key for the chatbot development for all the. So it will be same or different for the.
Your office also provided a key, sir.
Yes, Azure API key something.
Which API key, sir? Is it OpenAI?
Azure, Microsoft Azure.
Azure, that is the different. Yeah, I got your point. Venkata, I think a valid point. Kannan garu is saying the valid point again. Venkata and Mohit, I think you people knows this one. ChatGPT, I'm using the ChatGPT now, no?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Is ChatGPT available outside the AWS and Azure? It's not the, for example, if you take the AWS company, you know the AWS console, AWS login.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Inside the AWS itself, ChatGPT is there.
Yes, it is there, sir.
Then
Yes,
that
sir.
one can call the Bedrock services.
Yes, sir. I was about to say bedrock services of AWS.
More than one more thing. If you go to the Azure, maybe Kannan garu, his background is the maybe .NET. So they in that company they're using the Azure. Inside the Azure also ChatGPT is there. That services
Sir,
of
or Gemini, sir, because they have their own things of that. This is for Azure is for Microsoft only, right, sir?
Microsoft. Yeah. Kannan garu, both are same, but why your company provided in the sense, the reason is that maybe your product running with the Azure itself, maybe your company product.
So we use the Microsoft Teams, everything we use the Microsoft.
That's why the charge is very less, sir. The charge is half of the charge. So that's why your company are using. So even if you use the same thing, you can get the output.
Yes, where we can use the all type of the models.
Tracking but it will be tracked because check that one care because if you use that kit outside, maybe tracking will be there.
Okay.
Not only that one, for example, in my system also, I shared the key. In which IP I got the requests also. We can track it also. Okay, maybe pakka tracking will be there just to use our key. Why we need to take the risk.
It's really risk.
Yeah, okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.